How to download People Playground on PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, launch Steam on your PC. If you are not logged in yet, enter your credential to log in into your account. Now to begin with the download process, in the search bar search for People Playground and tap on it. Now to download, scroll down until you see the option of Add to Cart. As you can see, it is $5.49 currently. Tap on View My Cart option. Now, remove any of the pending transaction, select on People Playground and tap on Continue to Payment. To select on your payment method, select any from the drop-down icon. In the case of debit or credit card, enter the card number, expiration date, and the security code. Then fill out the billing address and tap on Continue. That is how you get yourself your very own People Playground. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.